Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
So, where do you work?
I work at a bank in the city.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you do there?
I work as a customer service officer. I help people with their accounts and transactions.
That sounds like a responsible job. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. I like helping people solve their problems.
That's great. How long have you been working there?
I have been working there for about 2 years.
Do you work full time?
Yes, I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Do you find your job stressful?
Sometimes it can be stressful, especially during busy hours.
I understand. But it must also be rewarding.
Yes, when customers are happy, I feel good.
That's nice. Do you work on weekends?
No, I usually have weekends off.
That's good. You can relax then.
Yes, I spend time with my family and friends.
That's important.
What about you? Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Really? Are you a teacher?
Yes, I teach English to young students.
That sounds wonderful. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love it. I enjoy helping students learn new things.
That's great. Teaching is a very meaningful job.
Thank you. It can be challenging, but it is also fun.
How long have you been teaching?
For about 3 years now.
That's nice. Do you work every day?
I work from Monday to Friday.
That's similar to my schedule.
Yes, and I also prepare lessons at home sometimes.
That sounds like extra work.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
That's good. It's important to like what you do.
I agree.
Do you plan to continue in this job?
Yes, I want to improve my teaching skills.
That's a great goal.
What about you?
I also want to grow in my career.
That's good.
It was nice talking to you about work.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
Let's stay in touch.
Sure. See you soon.
See you.